Good afternoon. My name is Sairaj Kapari, and for the next 4 minutes, I will be guiding you through the concepts of healthcare finance. Healthcare finance can have many different definitions depending on the setting. For our purposes, healthcare finance encompasses the accounting and financial management functions of healthcare organizations. Accounting usually involves the measurement, in financial terms, of a business operation and financial status. While financial management, which is corporate finance, involves the application of theory and concepts developed to help managers make better decisions. In practice, the two functions blend, with accounting generating the data needed to make sound decisions and financial management providing the framework for those decisions. Healthcare organizations operate like any businesses. The primary role of financial management in healthcare organization is to manage money and risk in a way that helps to achieve the financial goals of the organization. When a healthcare organization has strong and organized financial management plans, they're able to provide efficient healthcare to all their patients. The primary role of finance in health services organization is to plan for, acquire, and use resources to maximize the efficiency of the organization. This role is implemented through specific activities such as planning and budgeting. The finance activities in healthcare organizations can be summarized by four C's. 1. Cost measurement and minimization. 2. Cash management. 3. Capital acquisition. 4. Control of resources. Finance activities generally include the following: 1. Estimating cost and profitability, planning and budgeting. 2. Financial operations management. 3. Financing decisions. 4. Capital investment decisions. 5. Financial reporting. 6. Financial and operational analysis. 7. Contract management. And 8. Financial risk management. The size and the structure of finance department in any healthcare setting depends upon the type and size of the provider. Let's say, for example, there is an urgent setting. An individual is run by a doctor and about four employees. In that particular setting, the individual who is doing the billing might be the one who is actually providing for accounting and also for financial management. But for a large organization which is worth billions of dollars, for example, Kaiser Permanente, it actually has a high cash flow than the urgent care. So in this situation, there is a high requirement of chief financial officer, and that's where for larger provider organization is led by these CFOs, who actually typically report directly to the CEOs. So, individuals who are actually making the bigger decisions in a bigger organization are pretty much the chief financial officers. However, in a small setting, it might be the principal contributor, which might be the surgeon himself in the urgent care setting. So, this actually brings us the importance of finance management. A good standing of an organization is being analyzed based on the way it analyzes its finances or utilizes its resources and helps in improving its risk management capabilities, helping the organization at large and also serving a large number of people. And I thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm looking forward to the next interview. Thank you. Bye bye.